Hello, my friends. We have released new products to go with our club Stampin' Die set this month. And you know what? They're so cute. I absolutely love them. So look at what we have here first. First, we have our More Get Well to Stamp, because we had two bandages that had the cute little stethoscope and the flowers for our club set. But now we have one that's sick in bed. Oh no, and this one just doesn't feel good. Poor little guy. And you know what? Of course, you know the deal. Yes, there are dies that match. Ding, ding, ding. Now we give you the inside dies and the outside dies, so you can do shadows or you can die cut just the stamp image itself, which is really fun. I also gave you an extra pill bottle and an extra little shot, because I'm worried if you have your club set, you might accidentally lose one of those pieces, and I wanted you to have a backup. Now, why do I think you might lose a little piece? Because I lose little pieces all the time. I figure you might too, so added some extras. Now, those cute little guys, lots of other sayings in here. So sorry you're sick, get well soon. I guess germs like you as much as I do. I don't blame them. Lots of fun little sayings on this one. But you know what? I couldn't stop with those sayings. I had to add more. So here's one called Words for Get Well, and sending you happy thoughts. Chocolate might make it better. Thinking of you and sending you lots of love as you heal. Take care of yourself. Feel better. You're in my thoughts. Sending healing thoughts and warm wishes your way. Here's to brighter days ahead. Sending hugs and healing vibes your way. I wish I was there to help you heal. Aren't those sweet little sayings? I absolutely love them. Now, can't just stop with that, right? You know how I am. I just like start going and going and going, and I keep going. A tissue box folded. Can you believe this, you guys? Is this the cutest little thing you've ever seen? Where are my samples? I got to show you a sample really quick. But look at how dang adorable that is. Oh my goodness. Now there is a folded that's a tissue box. Now, some people, let me show you, some people like faces on things and some people don't. So I took care of both of you. The face is optional. So if you like faces on things, great. If you don't, great, because I got you both covered, okay? Now, you also have layering dies in here as well, so you can really kind of fancy up your tissue box. Funny thing about my mom loves to give us cute tissue boxes. So every day, because I guess we never have Kleenex every time she comes over, so she always gives us tissues, and she always makes sure they're really cute boxes. So now you can make your own, including this. Look at that. Look at how cute those little guys are right there. I absolutely love that fun pattern on the back. Now, but wait, there's more, my friends, especially if you're getting the bundle. Don't forget about the bundle. Club members save even more on the bundle. Flash sale bundle, extra discounts. Another crisscross card. Yes! Can I just tell you, crisscross is one of the most popular things searched on our website. It is, because these dies are awesome. Now, let me show you one just to give you an idea. The hearts on the side are optional. The inside heart is optional. You could do different things, but look at how gorgeous these are when you put them together. Now, the fun thing is when you put them in the envelope, I want you to do something. I want you to spin this around a whole bunch of times when you put it in the envelope. Put it in the envelope. When they open the envelope, watch this. I know, awesome, right? Then they're gonna see that it opens like this. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that, you guys. I absolutely love it. Now, it comes with that heart, but you don't have to use that heart. What if you wanted to use a different heart? Again, you can do the same thing with this one. Look at how fun that is. Love it. Use your pattern paper. When you have extra pattern paper, these dies are perfect for this. Now, it also has our famous Deckle edge. Everybody loves our Deckle edge. We have this in the slimline dies. We have this on our A2 dies, but it has that fun Deckle edge. Now, one more thing to show you before I jump into all my samples. We have this fun patchwork background. This die is so awesome. It has these little extra pieces, so it kind of looks like a crisscross pattern. It is so much fun. You're going to fall in love with this one, and I can't wait for you to see it. Now, let me show you all of my amazing samples, because as you know, my design team's amazing. So here's a cute one with that little tiny bandage in the bed. He's all sick, poor guy. He has a little ice pack on his head. That's one of the stamps in there and one of the dies. Look at how sweet that is. Oh, look at this one. Take care. Ooh, this is using one of our grid background dies. I absolutely love that. It has the 4 little spots right on the side. Look how cute that is. Take care. He's in bed. Here's another one. He just doesn't feel good. Whenever I see him, I always say that. He just doesn't feel good. I say it just like that every single time. You're going to get tired of hearing me say it. But look how cute he is because he just doesn't feel good. Now, I got more. I have more. Look at how cute this one is. Step card. Use your basic step card for this. Look at how cute those little guys are. One's sick in bed. One's bringing flowers, and the doctor is coming to check up on you. Look at how adorable that is. It says, here's to brighter days ahead. Love that one. Now, here's another fun one. This is using the A1 double Z card and the Get Well to stamp. Look at how cute that is. Open it up. See? Look at how fun that is. See the extra pieces? So cute. Look, that doctor is bringing the ice pack for this patient. I love it so much. He's just so sad being in that bed. Oh, awful. Now, let's look at how cute this little plushie is. Stuffy. I call him Stuffy because our boys call him Stuffies. But see that cute little face on there? And the little guy here, and it says, hope you're peeling better soon. So sweet, that cute little guy on there. And Michelle always makes the cutest little stuffies. With our wool felt, you can die cut it. Yeah, and make your own stuffies. I've actually been noticing a lot on Instagram, people making little stuffies like this, but they're hand cutting them. They're hand cutting all the felt, all the pieces to put things like this together. Oh my goodness, they don't know about dies. Can you believe there's people out there that don't have a die cut machine and don't know about dies? We can cheat and we can die cut them. So much easier. Here's another cute fold it. Love it. Look at that cute little bunny within the grass. Here's to better days ahead. So sweet. I love that. And it's kind of like at a crooked angle, which is okay because you know what? It's okay. Look at how cute this one is. Oh, see, with those extra patterns, it's so much fun. I absolutely love that. Here is a cute one with real tissues in it. So you can add real tissues, make it a little box, add some cute, a little envelope, make some cute little tissues in there. Absolutely love that. Oh, this is also a sneak peek, I'm told. Hang on, I got to see where the sneak peek is. I'm told there's a sneak peek in here. Oh, okay, I see. Well, I am not seeing. I'm told there's a sneak peek in here. Not seeing it. Sorry, not seeing it. I'll have to pull that up to the side. Here's a cute one. Ooh, add some eyelashes to that cute little tissue box. Now we get to look at more crisscross. I'm telling you, crisscross is the most popular item that is searched on our website. So here we go. You're my prince, and it's our cute little froggy. See, you don't have to put the heart on the inside. Of course not, right? You can put on the inside anything you want. And I love this because look at how fun that is. Now, here's another one. This is just like a basic one, so you can see what's included. All of this is included. So you can do the hearts if you want to, or don't do the hearts. That's up to you. So the hearts are optional. Here's another cute one with adding pieces back to the hearts, which is so fun. Love that. Perfect for Valentine's Day. Ooh, look at this one. Or you could put it just on the front of a card if you wanted to. Look how cute that is. And it can spin. So again, what you do if you want to put it in an envelope, you spin it around a whole bunch of times before you put it in the envelope. Whole bunch of times. And then when they open it, watch this. When they open it, whoops, oh, it's not going to spin. Oh, it's stuck. Hang on, let me see if I can pull it down a little. There we go. There it's spinning. Isn't that cute though? I absolutely love that. Oh, last but not least, one more. So fun. Ooh, the pink and the black. I love pink and black together. Isn't that cute? You have my heart. I love that. Now, club members, you know the deal. Every single day, every single order, every single item, as long as you're a club member, you are getting 15 to 20% off the entire website. Yep. All the time. But the first 24 hours, all of these items are on our website. You get the flash sale price. So you get to double discount. But if you buy the bundle, you're getting a triple discount because you're getting the bundle discount also. I know. It's like I'm paying you to be my friend. I really am. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. If you are not in the club, you definitely need to check it out. You can be a club member for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set sent to you automatically each month. Imagine getting happy mail in the mail every month. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.